Hi, Hiram here. Boy, have I gotten a lot of requests to do more tests on this Esbit solid fuel stove with alcohol burners. I've had several asking me for specifically for something that holds an ounce of alcohol, so I thought of maybe trying one with this. This is the what I called the Cottle Vertical Wick burner. It's just a cottle bottom that is cut to the size to allow a wicking material. You saw this before. It's exhaust wrap that it's something that you wrap around exhaust pipes to protect yourself from getting burned on them. Anyway, it's just a piece of that in there, cut long enough to fit the inside, with a piece of hardware cloth holding it upright. I've used this on a couple of other tests. Let's see. Back in the Cottle Vertical Wick, I got 2 cups of water to boil starting at 53 degrees in 6 minutes and 43 seconds using the Boy Scout pot. And using the Boy Scout pot, which is a much flatter, much wider flat surface than that pot is, on a hardware cloth. And I also ran it on the Swiss Ranger Volcano stove. Now, for some reason, for that I used 1 cup of water starting at 55, and it came to a boil in 4 minutes. That was with the little cup on the top. I also did another test with 2 cups of water, and time to boil was 5 minutes. So this should work in here. What I have here is 1 ounce of denatured alcohol, the SLX. Just pour it into the burner. Should do this the other way so you can see what I'm doing. I think this might be way too much alcohol, but we'll see what happens. So I have 1 ounce of alcohol in there. It's soaking up into the wick. Just put it into the stand. Now this stand is from the bottom of the pot stand to the bottom of the pot when it's in here is 1.9 inches. This burner is about 1 inch from the bottom of the burner to the top of the wick. So that's going to make it a little less than 1 inch from the top of this to the bottom of the pot. I think part of the problem was this is way too tall for using Esbit and for that other little stove the little burner that I used. So I have 2 cups of water here, setting at 57 degrees. 57. Well, that's good. Got a dud there. Hang on. There we go. Okay, that's lit. Start the timer. Now it's sitting at 58 degrees. 57, 58. So let's see where this goes. Okay, there we have 210, 211, 212 at 8 minutes and 12 seconds. Let's see how long this goes to burn out. I'm going to do the side of the pot stand is riding at about, well, 390 degrees. If you can see my little dot there. Yeah, about 390 degrees. Kind of get the impression that's where the heat's going. And there I think we have run out. Yep, run out at 10:35. 10 minutes and 35 seconds. We have run out. Little disappointed there. Even on the old one, where I used this burner with a hardware cloth stand, the stand was 2 inches tall, so that means it was about the same distance between the top of the burner to the bottom of the pot. And in that one I got 2 cups of water starting at 53 degrees to boiling in 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Now this got to boiling in 8 minutes and 12 seconds and then run out at 10 minutes 35 seconds. So that would have given you 2 cups of safe water, but it took a whole ounce of alcohol to do that. Not exactly sure what, I don't know. Well, I look forward to your input. See what you think of this. See what other tests you want me to do. I look forward to your input, questions, remarks, helpful suggestions. And as always, watch for my buddy Max. Bye now. Good boy, Max.